What's up people, welcome back. Into this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this logo design using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just open in your software and grab this rectangle tool, then you start drawing shapes. Okay, so let's zoom in so you can see clearly. So I'll be dragging the shape by holding down Shift key on the keyboard, and at the same time I'll be dragging down while holding the Alt key to make a copy, and also I'll press Ctrl D once to make a copy. So we have these three boxes here. Next thing you have to do is create a copy also, and you have to divide this copy by 5 for the spacing. So divided by 5 and you press enter. So it's going to give you this little shape here. So let me go ahead and change the color for you to see. So let's change the color something like blue. Okay, see, this will be like the indicator, the demarcator of the lines for us. So let's start placing it. So I'll place it at the top of here, and I'll place it at the bottom. Okay, I'll also place it at the side. Let's rotate it by just going to the corners, holding down Shift, and we'll be adding to this side also. So next thing you have to do is duplicate this black one, this middle one, put it at the other side. Okay, then we adjust this one and put it to the other side also. Let me adjust it so it fits. Okay, the same thing happens here. You add it here at the top, also you add it at the bottom. So this is like just, you know, creating this space, this middle space, negative space for us to, you know, see through. So we'll be creating this other one. You'll be duplicating it on the other side by dragging and holding down Alt, and also we have to, you know, add this, guys. I didn't select it, so you have to add it. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is just create this copy middle one. You drag it up here. Okay, and you just need to drag this one up again, and you try match it with this one here, to the last one here. So we have this up one set of. What you have to do is just duplicate it and add it to this one. So we have to create the same thing here by clicking, dragging this one and dragging this one. Okay, so we are through with the template of the logo, so we don't need these guys anymore. You have to delete these blue lines. We are through with them, so we are through. We have to delete these guys. Okay, so this middle one, you have to stretch it to the other side. So you have to stretch it this way by holding down the Alt key. Okay, and we are through. So you have to do, what you have to do now is just merge it here by clicking on Unite on your Pathfinder tool. Okay, just click on merge, and this is the first copy I made, but the second one we actually you know, did an alteration on it. So you have to duplicate this one, and let's zoom closer. So for this one, all you need is just the pen tool. Okay, but before we start using the pen tool, you have to ungroup, and with this pen tool you have to click minus on your keyboard to have this minus sign, and you have to delete this space, you delete this angle. Okay, you come down and we delete this angle also, delete this angle also. So now what I have to do is just grabbing the direct selection tool, and we start snapping these sides to this end while holding down the Shift key, and the same thing happens here. We merge down while holding down the Shift key. Okay, same thing happens here. Okay, drag up, same thing happens here. We drag up. Okay, so for the side, I noticed there are some unused points, icon points here. So what you can do is just drag them and click on this one, minus. Okay, drag them and click on minus. Okay, then we are through. One thing I like doing in my logos is, when creating logo design, is I like creating copies of them. So I'm just going to duplicate this one. Okay, okay, and press Ctrl+Shift+H to give you like the full background. So this is the shape. All I have to do is just go in and unite it. So the next thing you have to do is type in the brand name. So you go to your text tool and you start typing the brand name. The brand name is Hendrix Cards. So let's zoom closer, and this is the font. We'll be using this Gothic Franklin Gothic font. So the reason why I chose this font is pretty much is on your computer, so you don't need to install any fonts to use. So you have to do is just break this one out. So it'll be Ctrl+Z. So bringing this one out, cutting it out, and same thing, duplicating this one, they'll be pasting it inside here. Okay, so I want all of them in caps. All you have to do is just select both of them, go to type, and go to change case, uppercase, and yeah, true. So you have to start aligning these guys here. So what I have to do is just, for this one, you just click it and you go to type and go to create outline. Okay, then that's that for this one. Let's zoom closer to see what we are doing. Reduce it. Okay, so for this one you just have to reduce the size by coming here and just choosing let's choose maybe 20. I'm going to reduce it more. Okay, then you have to do is just give it tracking by coming here if you want to do it manually, but I'll be using the shortcut by pressing Alt left arrow key to space it out in a faster way. And let me zoom closer to see what we're doing. So you have to reduce this a bit more, and okay, I think it's good. So Alt to space it a bit more, and we are true. So you have to press Ctrl+Shift+O for the outline, and let's just align it and click this, and so I'm adjusting it to to just make it fit. Okay, so I think we are true. Let me bring this down a bit. So you have to just make sure it's aligned, and you'll be giving it color. So I'll be using this dark blue. You can go ahead and copy it if you need the color. So this is the complete version of the logo design. So hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you find it useful. Please, if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, share the video with your loved ones. Keep learning, and I'll see you guys in the next one.